You see your neighbor. You want to say something, but what do you say? Don't worry. Today, you will learn 25 friendly phrases for small talk with neighbors. Simple, real, natural. Let's go. Good morning. How are you today? Hi. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. Good evening. Are you heading home? Hi there. How's everything going? Hey, good to see you. It's so hot today, isn't it? I think it's going to rain later. Finally, some nice weather. This cold is something else, right? I love days like this. Wait, before we continue, I have a challenge for you. Go to the comments. I left a message there. I am your neighbor. I said something to you. Your job is simple. Reply to my comment. Use a friendly phrase. Then ask me something back. For example, I say, "Hey, nice weather today, isn't it?" You reply, "Yes, it's beautiful today. Are you heading home?" That's it. One reply, one question, a real conversation. If this video is helping you, please like it and subscribe. Your comments help this channel grow, and they help other learners practice too. Okay, neighbor, let's continue. Good neighbors help each other. These phrases show that you care. Do you need any help with that? Let me know if you need anything. I have some extra tomatoes. Would you like some? Is everything okay? I heard a loud noise. I'll keep an eye on your place while you're away. Thank you so much. You're always so kind. Don't worry about it. That's what neighbors are for. Are you from around here originally? How long have you lived here? Do you know a good place to eat nearby? Oh, is that your dog? What's his name? We should catch up properly sometime. Well, I'll let you go. Have a great day. It was really nice talking to you. 25 phrases, all real, all simple, all useful. Tomorrow, say hello to someone near you, maybe your neighbor, maybe a stranger. Use one phrase, just one. That is enough. You are doing great. Keep going. See you in the next video.